switch on the power line. If you switch on the power line, you can see on the machine off. So this one is the push button to on the machine. Okay, press. Long press. Okay. So it means the machine is in the program. This is program number 2. If you press this, it will be increased. See, program 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 programs. Okay? And this one, if you want to be less, the program. So 15, 13, 13 until 0. Okay? 0, 1. Okay? So this is, so we can start for program number 2. Okay? This, you can see how much the time. 07. Okay? Program 3, you can see 2 hours 21. But you can use program 14 because program 14 is the less program of all the programs. Okay? 14 is 2 hours 18 minutes. Okay? So there is this you can see this is drying time. If you want to be less, press this one. You see this one, less, negative. You will be less until no drying. Okay? If you want to put more, press this one, positive. 1, 2, 3. Maximum 3. Okay? Okay, press this one again. You can see the program. So this one is start, stop. This one, open the door. This one, function. In function, you can see the time, the temperature, and this is temperature. Okay? So we can run number 14. It takes 2 hours. But we can run number 2. Number 1. 59 minutes. So we can try it now. Okay, we will press. Keep press. Now it should be start. If you see this, it means it's starting now. The time.
If you need to know the remaining time.
If you want to know the remaining time, you can press the function. The function, you can see the remaining time. And the temperature. Now it's 24 centigrade. So we can wait 59 minutes. After that, you can see this. So pagka siguro mga ilang segundo lang yan. Mga 1 minute lang siguro.
Okay.
Tapos yan makikita niya yung apat na dot. So maybe mga 1 minute. Okay. Tapos bukas nyo na siya unti-unti.
Just open the door slowly.
Open the door slowly. Tapos kunin nyo na instrument. Hilahin nyo to. Pull this. Yan. And this. Yan. Ganyan yan. Then, if you want to put this, you need to adjust this portion
Okay.
up there. So adjust. Rotate mo lang. Just rotate this up until this end.
Okay.
This. See? There. Okay. So put it back. And close the
So that's how you're
ito. Pa siya. Tapos off. Switch up na rin ito.
going to press.
So pag on natin, you need to on, press the power line. You will see off. You need to press this button, power button, to switch on the machine. Now you can see the program. This button to increase the program up to 16. If you want to less the program, press this, the left side button. Okay. Now you can see this
Steam sign.
this steam sign. This actually is drying sign. If you want to less the drying time, press this. You will see the 3 dot. Press 1, 2, 3. This means no drying time. If you want to increase, press this one. Positive to increase the drying time. Okay. So this program, you can see the press this function button, see the time and the temperature. If you want to start, press this start button, long press until it start the program. Okay. And this one, after end the cycle, you want to open the door, press this button to open the door. Okay.
So that's how we're going to open the
Okay.
So is that all?
That's all po.